Artificial intelligence is changing the way people work online. Just a few years ago, starting an online business required technical skills, expensive software, and a lot of time. But today, AI tools can automate many tasks that used to take hours. They can write articles, design graphics, edit videos, generate voiceovers, and even help people run online businesses. Because of this, many people on the internet are claiming that AI side hustles are the easiest way to make money online. Some videos say you can make thousands of dollars per month. Others claim you can build an entire online business using only AI tools. But the big question is this: do these AI side hustles actually work? Or are they just another internet trend? To find out, I decided to run a simple experiment. For the next 7 days, I would test 5 different AI side hustles. Each day, I would try a different method of making money using AI tools. Some of these side hustles required zero experience. Some could be started using completely free tools. And some were ideas that thousands of people are already trying right now. In this video, I'll walk you through everything I learned. I'll show you which AI side hustles were easy to start, which ones took the most time, and which ones actually showed the most potential. If you've ever wondered whether AI can help you start an online income stream, this experiment might give you some useful insights. So let's start with the first AI side hustle. Side hustle. 1. AI. Freelance writing. The first AI side hustle I decided to test was AI freelance writing. Content writing has been one of the most popular online freelancing jobs for many years. Businesses need blog posts. Websites need product descriptions. Online stores need marketing copy. And companies constantly need written content for their websites. Traditionally, freelance writers spend hours researching and writing each article. But with AI tools, the process has become much faster. For this experiment, I used ChatGPT. ChatGPT can generate written content based on prompts. For example, you can ask it to write blog posts, outlines, product descriptions, or marketing copy. To test this side hustle, I started by searching freelance marketplaces for writing jobs. Many businesses were looking for writers who could produce blog content. Topics included technology, health, finance, and digital marketing. Next, I created a few sample blog posts using ChatGPT. I asked the AI to generate outlines first. Then I asked it to write full articles based on those outlines. Within minutes, I had several thousand words of content. However, I quickly realized something important. AI-generated content usually needs editing. Sometimes the tone feels robotic. Sometimes the information needs fact-checking. And sometimes the structure can be improved. So instead of copying the AI output directly, I spent time editing and improving the content. This made the final result sound much more natural. Once the samples were ready, I started submitting proposals to potential clients. During this experiment, I noticed 2 interesting things. First, AI tools can significantly speed up the writing process. What used to take hours can now be done much faster. Second, finding freelance clients is the biggest challenge. Freelance platforms are competitive. Many writers are competing for the same jobs. But if someone builds a strong profile and continues applying consistently, this side hustle could eventually become a real income source. Side hustle. 2. AI graphic design. The second AI side hustle I tested was graphic design. Many businesses need graphics for social media posts, presentations, advertisements, and marketing materials. However, not everyone has design skills. This is where AI design tools become very helpful. For this experiment, I used Canva. Canva includes AI-powered features that help users generate designs quickly. For example, it can suggest layouts, color combinations, and visual elements automatically. To test this idea, I started by researching popular digital products. Many creators sell design templates online. These include social media templates, business presentation slides, resume templates, digital planners, and marketing graphics. Using Canva, I created several design templates. The process was surprisingly fast. Instead of starting with a blank canvas, I used AI suggestions and pre-built layouts. Then I customized them with colors, fonts, and icons. Within a few hours, I had created multiple design templates. What makes this side hustle interesting is the concept of digital products. Unlike services, digital products can be sold repeatedly. Once a template is created, it can potentially generate income multiple times. However, just creating a product is not enough. You also need a platform to sell it. And you need an audience or traffic source. Still, AI design tools make the creative process much easier for beginners. Side hustle 3. AI YouTube automation. The third side hustle I tested was AI YouTube automation. This method has become extremely popular in recent years. Instead of recording videos on camera, creators use AI tools to produce faceless videos. These videos often include stock footage, voice narration, and on-screen text. To test this idea, I created a simple video workflow. First, I wrote a script. Then I used Pictory to convert the script into a video. Pictory automatically generates visuals based on the text. It adds stock footage, transitions, and captions. For voice narration, I used 11 Labs. This tool can convert text into realistic voice narration. This is one of the biggest reasons faceless YouTube channels are growing quickly. Within a short time, I had a complete video ready. The production process has become much faster. However, building a successful YouTube channel still requires consistency. Videos need time to gain views. The algorithm needs time to understand your content. But if videos start gaining traction, they can generate revenue through advertising. Side hustle 4. AI social media management. The fourth side hustle I tested was social media content creation. Businesses rely heavily on social media to reach customers. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook are important marketing channels. But many small business owners don't have time to create content every day. This creates an opportunity for freelancers. Using AI tools, it's possible to generate social media ideas, captions, and graphics quickly. I used ChatGPT to generate content ideas. Then I used Canva to create simple visuals. Within a short time, I had several social media posts ready. A freelancer offering this service could manage content for multiple businesses. Many social media managers charge monthly fees for their services. This means the income can become recurring. Side hustle 5. AI voiceover services. The fifth and final AI side hustle I tested was voiceover creation. Voiceovers are used in many types of content: YouTube videos, advertisements, audiobooks, training videos, podcast intros. Traditionally, voice actors record their voices in studios, but AI voice generation tools are becoming increasingly realistic. Using 11 Labs, I generated voice narrations for different types of scripts. The voices sounded surprisingly natural. This opens up opportunities for content creators who need narration, but don't want to record their own voice. Freelancers can offer voiceover services using AI tools. As demand for online video continues to grow, voice content is becoming more valuable. Final results. After testing these 5 AI side hustles for 7 days, here are my biggest takeaways. First, AI tools can dramatically increase productivity. Tasks that used to take hours can now be completed much faster. Second, most online side hustles require patience. It's unlikely that someone will make large amounts of money in just a few days. However, consistent effort can lead to long-term opportunities. Third, the real power of AI comes from combining tools together. For example, ChatGPT for ideas, Canva for visuals, Pictory for videos, 11 Labs for voice narration. When these tools work together, they can create powerful online workflows. Artificial intelligence is still evolving. New tools are being developed every year. And the people who learn how to use these tools early may have a huge advantage. But tools alone are not enough. Success still requires creativity, effort, and consistency. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about AI tools, online businesses, and side hustles, consider subscribing. And let me know in the comments, which AI side hustle would you try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.